in Vancouver, heading up to a place called Boston Bar, where I'm going to be DJing a set. It's a small music festival. Looks like some good people. Looks like a good time. They're going to let me play on them people's stage. They're going to let me go up there and play on them people's stage. So I'm going to take the opportunity to go up there, play on the stage, and play music. It'll be fun.
Bleeding. It's bleeding, bro.
Yeah, you wish that was yours, buddy. Wow. Are you gonna stick your fingers in it? Guys in Boston Bar, BC. It's not in Boston. It's also not a bar. Met up with my boy Freak. Yeah, he's wearing the orange fucking bacon strip. Yeah, and I'm doing my first IRL set tonight. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I needed a name. I had to come up with a DJ name, stage name real fast because the weekend was approaching and I had to send in basically like an electronic press kit, which I obviously don't have one for DJing because I just DJ on Twitch for the last year. So last minute came up with the name Mr. Mealtime and figured I'd use that, at least for now. I got a couple other ideas. Solid Snack, Revolver Sauce a lot, Shadow Moses. We've got some Metal Gear things going on. That's what's going through my mind. But yeah, for now, Mr. Mealtime.
Now look who creepin', look who crawlin', still ballin' in the mix. It's that 6'6" long dick, slim nigga sticking your chick. Pullin' tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flippin'. Bar sippin', car dippin', Grant Wood grain grippin'. Still tippin' on four rappin', four hoes, no hackin', no packin', blowin' on that endo. GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss hog on candy. Top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy. Pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big boss, belt buckle under.
Huge umbrella for one person.
Yeah. Here's me doing my first ever set ever. I don't want to say that it went smoothly because it wasn't completely smooth, but overall I was happy to have the experience and I learned a lot. Played some of my own remixes. I made my own little remixes. One of them I played in this vlog actually, or maybe it's a mashup and edit. I don't know. And at the same time we had steaks being cooked up behind me. So Mr. Mealtime for real deal, bro. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that slick enough to have steaks being cooked up behind me and take bites of the steak at the level that I'm at, but I am doing it every day and I'm getting better, broski. So this time I'm super concentrated up there. Next time I'll be chilling.
What's up, guys? What is up, you guys? So basically, we're here back with another video.
Can't believe you let this guy finger you.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Are you okay?
Bro,
Why'd you let that guy finger you?
So this is the next day after Altitude, posted up in Boston Bar, went down by the water, this rocky area, chilled there. I ended up doing another set, a secret set on top of a garbage can later on. This is after the festival, so people are pretty much gone. But we had our trailer and we were packing it up slowly. And one of the guys I was with, I think, was like kind of hooking up with one of the girls who put on the festival. So we were like hanging around them because they were in lovebird mode. Stop what, bro? Shut the fuck Up, dude. It's my VO. I can put whatever I want. Why? Why?
Just don't put that in.
Okay. Anyways.
Don't look at his password. My email. Don't look at his email or password. That's right. You have to deal with the Yo, she's so hard.
So I DJ'd this festival, and I'm supposed to be in Los Angeles now because I was going to do some work and see some friends for a week. But Air Canada abandoned me. So I'm like just kind of stuck here. I've been helping this festival, Altitude, shout out. I've been helping them pack up their stuff. So it's like I live here and work here now in this small town Boston bar. But I'll be catching a flight on Saturday probably to LA, where I'll be seeing some friends and doing my thing. But until then, I'm just like kind of abandoned here. But I can't really complain because look how beautiful it is. What's up? It's Editing Harley from the future. I just wanted to come in to say what I should have said at this point is I now should have gone, when did this become beautiful world? And reference that once again, but I didn't do that. But I literally should have been like, when did this become beautiful world? Still want to get the fuck out of here though.
Vlog day 2. Harley's not as strong as he looks. Guy's a bit of a pussy. It won't go between.
We can bring it, or we can lift it around and lift it up on the opposite.
Yeah.
Go! What did that bitch say? What did that bitch say?
What are you talking about?
You.
What are you talking about?
Dude! This guy's Chinese.
What is it? You do that? You did that.
Who did that?
She did that. Show her face. Show her face. She did it.
Not me.
Hey,
What happened? The garbage cans we hooked up on the back of the truck went flying off. I'm starting to think this guy doesn't know shit. Finally made it back to Vancouver. What a good time. I feel like I met a lot of cool people and I learned so much. And now I'm just going to stay with this guy for an extended period of time.
we live together.
Yeah.
And we're